As math students, hopefully you've mastered working with percent part 1. Let's have a go at working with percent part 2. Now, we have these two questions here which are quite similar to one another, and these two questions here which are different to those first two, but similar to one another. Now, students get these two types mixed up all the time, so you've got to work through a few of these and be able to recognise the difference between the two. And they've got a very slightly different way of doing them, and students get them mixed up all the time. It's really easy to do. So let's try not to get them mixed up. So ones like this where we're asked to express one amount of another as a percentage, what we want to do first is divide the two. So we want to express 40 as a percentage of 45. So we divide, I'm just going to write the steps here, and then we multiply by 100. So essentially all we need to do is do 40 divided by 45 and then multiply that by 100. And we can do this one on the calculator. So see what answer you get for that. And we get 88.88 recurring. So we can say 88.9% if we were going to go to one decimal place, or 88.89, whatever number of decimal places you want to go to, that's fine. So you might want to pause now and try the next one. That's done the same way. Okay, so let's give it a go. We divide 1.25 over 6 and multiply by 100. So this gives us 20.83%. Right, now it's really easy to get mixed up with these ones. Here we're not expressing one amount of another as a percentage. In this we're given an amount and we're asked to find a certain percentage of the amount. Now, the language around this, I know it's confusing to see what the difference is, but it's just, you're going to need to practice and get some experience to be able to tell the difference between the two. Okay, so 80% of 190. Well, the first step here is to convert the percentage to a decimal. And then multiply the decimal by the amount. Or multiply by the total, say. So we're going to do 80% as a decimal, so of course we do 80 divided by 100, and then we multiply that by 190. So essentially what we're doing, we know from before that 80 over 100 is 0.8 times 190. So you can save yourself a little bit of calculator work by just thinking, well, 80% is 0.8 and then multiplying that directly by the total. And this gives us $152. So 80% of $190 is $152. Okay, you might want to pause now and try the next one. Okay, let's convert this percentage to a decimal. That's 0.52 times 4530. $23.556. Now we want to take this to the nearest cent. So of course when we're dealing with money we go to two decimal places. So 23.56 or $23.56. Okay, go ahead and look in the questions in the video, the description of the video Make sure you don't get these two question types mixed up.